Good morning, everyone, my dentist colleagues and friends and family. I just want to show you the 3D scanner, the used fullness of the scanner, 3D imaging scanning. It helps you to scan the mouth instead of taking impression. I was taking the impression for an implant on tooth number 30 implant crown. I have the assistant doing this for me. I didn't do it completely. Was the assistant from beginning to the end, taking the upper arch right now, and also I will have her continue showing you. She trying to take the also the impression on the bottom where the number 30 implant body scanner. I place it in after I numb the patient, and so this is the intra-oral picture that we scan, and you can see the very detail from how the tissue, what type of crown the patient have, what problem that the patient have. This is a good camera to help to not only do what you need to do for the case, but also to show the patient how his or her teeth look like. So we are scanning the body scanner. They call the scan body of the implant number 30 right now. So you can see she can capture detail much as you possibly can. The key thing for the implant body scanner is to capture the enough detail on the adjacent tooth as well as the alignment of the body scan. And after she does that, she will take the bi-registration for me as well. Right now she's trying to get a little bit more detail on the several teeth before in front of the number 30, allow her to take a better bi-registration. But anyway, she's done. I was not there, so she can do her job. But you can see that 3D scanner replace you from working so hard. You can have your staff doing this. My dentist friend, and this is none related to needle in anything. It's just almost like taking photo. So it's so powerful that taking 50 to 70 slide per second of database and store into the system. It's so powerful, and that's the reason why it's very accurate. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. The scanning total process was about 7 to 8 minutes if that was the assistant job. But if I do it, probably like shorter than that. But it's still a good thing for you to do, to buy this machine, the Matic 500, and use it. This is just a quick review for Matic 500. Hope you enjoy your day. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you. Continue to subscribe to my channel and like and subscribe and make comment. I like to share more information with you day to day. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.